going to talk to you about how to use the backpack tool. The backpack tool is one of my favorite tools. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to search rainbow fish. Maybe I want my students to do a project on rainbow fish and I want them to have the rainbow fish to begin with. So I see that this over here has a nice looking rainbow fish, so I'm going to click on it. And then I'm going to go to see inside to see if it is a sprite. Unfortunately, down here I see that it is a sprite, so I'm going to click on it. Right here, there's the word backpack. Your backpack allows you to store information. And as you can see, I've already stored it in here before, but I'm going to show you how to do this. So you're going to left click and with your other finger you're going to drag it into your backpack. You notice it turns dark blue. You're going to let it go. You have just taken that sprite from this project and you have put it into your backpack. Then you can just head out of this scratch animation by hitting the scratch button. Maybe I want a flower in my animation. And again, I don't really want to have to draw it myself. I would love to grab it and then give the students the opportunity to use it to explain something about a flower. So I would click See Inside. And I would look to see if there was a flower that I could take. Looks like I have some beautiful butterflies, some birds, some bunnies. Maybe I'm going to take one of these beautiful butterflies instead. So I'm going to open that backpack and I'm going to drag in a butterfly. So sometimes we don't find what we want when we search inside of the Scratch already pre-made sprites. So we find our own from other people's. Scratch is great like that because it is a Creative Commons type place where you really can borrow from others to help you create something. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this and I'm going to hit Create. I'm going to show you how to take that sprite out of your backpack, which basically is a left click, and you drag and you drop it in. Now, as you notice, it came with a lot of programming already. So I'm just going to get rid of that program because I don't want to use that program. Make sure that you get rid of it all. Sometimes it stays hidden down here. Again, I'm going to show you that again. I will click on the one that I want to drag, and I'm going to drop it over here where the sprites go. And in this case, there is tons of coding. I can also right click and hit delete 61 blocks. Okay, and they will all disappear. Now I can create a story with these 3 sprites. And right here, it's just saying that it's not showing. So I hit the show button. So the students don't have to worry about making the sprite to match what you want them to, but you're actually going to give them the sprites ahead of time. That is how you use the backpack. You can also use the backpack for the same thing when you're doing backdrops.